Last year, they opened up a Canada Goose holiday hunt season here in Wisconsin. It's 2 weeks long, and they moved the limit up to 5 a person. So usually we try once or twice a winter the last 2 years to get a good group of guys together and just shoot the crap out of them. And it seems every year it works when there's snow on the ground. It seems to go well for us.
Last year it was like -5 or something like that in that realm of a temperature, and then this year it was a little bit warmer, but I still think it was only like 15 degrees.
Yeah, and it sucks to hunt in those temperatures, but you can ensure that those birds are going to be coming to the field and they're going to be hungry when they get there, which all helps in the end. I mean, the snow with the hide, you know they were going to want to eat there. It's just a matter of getting your setup right and getting them to finish.
Once again, here we go. Know the name, know the flow. Turn me up a little more. I'm setting traps, I'm alone. You know you whack, I'm a maniac. Boy, you know I'm black to the bone. Pick a place, nigga, pick a date. I go cool, pick a load.
But yeah, thinking that they're gonna feed, in the afternoon like they had been, and then I think most of us were out there. I got out there a little late, but you guys were out there by what time?
I think I pulled out there at about 10.
And shooting birds by 10:30?
Yeah, shortly after we got our first flock.
When it all goes down,
these two land.
I'm gonna run this town. I can't help myself lately, can't turn myself down. I'm in love with you, baby. But I let you down. I can't die in this town. I won't die in this town.
I did shooting that day. It was a little tough. Cross shooting and late season birds. It was tough. And
shooting late season Canada has been tough the last couple of years. I mean, you get these monster feeds, so these birds get tough and they get smart by the end of the season.
Well, thank God we had a dog.
Thought you was good, huh? Take you out back, Drake through the woods, huh? Thought I was weak, huh? You ain't see the work I put in all week, huh? Give me that, where the city at? Nitty gritty, this ain't gonna be pretty, Jack. Not afraid, get up out the way. Y'all used to, hey, look at what you made. When it all goes down, I'ma run this town.
That was an interesting hunt for sure. I think that was the first time that late in the year I would say I think we shot migrators for sure.
I'd have to say the same thing.
Got into some pretty good flocks of migrators. Ended up shooting 2 bands out of there. It was fun.
Well, the one being from Winnipeg, I think, would confirm that. They're late season migrators too, for sure.
Don't die in this town. I don't know. Wait a minute. Lately, y'all don't even pay no visit. I can still hear the hater critics saying he ain't gonna make it, is he? Lately, I developed laser vision. Yeah, I burn through people in their cooling tissues.
There's really no good shot. No.
Couldn't even make a scrimmage. Get your ass up and pass up your limits.
We got some live bird presents, so
all I really do is eat spinach.
Watch it forward.
Pretty women. I was driven, yeah, I had a vision. Then Coon came along and made a vivid. Haters living cause we really living. I'm a freight train, you a Honda Civic. Hold up, wait, let me get specific. If you get a mission and you stay committed, stop transmitting, and you really listen, you'll see that big collision, just a big transition.
The 2 holiday hunts we've had, over 100 birds, so.
We made an absolute mess out of them. We shot them long, we shot them high, we shot them everywhere, but...
Hey, don't die in this town.
You always dream of this. Not every year you get the chance to shoot a duck in the snow or shoot geese in the snow, and this holiday hunt's kind of opened up that opportunity for all of us, and it's so much fun.